Okay, so after we've done the wiring harness, I like to do the HushMat. The HushMat is basically to keep the vehicle from sounding like a tin drum. So you'll put this on, and it doesn't need to be in every single section of the vehicle. So I don't usually cut it up very small. If you do need to cut it, it's really simple and easy to cut. And we just use like a knife like this and slice right through it. It's very easy to work with. Okay, so first ones I put on in full sheets, and what I like, the best way that I have found, that they say they like to use a roller. I like to use a tennis ball, and the tennis ball just allows you to really set this stuff in nice and tight, and so you're kind of squishing it on, and we are going to work our way around the entire vehicle. You can cut them when you're setting them in the lower panels or up in here, but again, it doesn't have to be in every single spot. It calls out for something like 25%. We'll end up with 80 to 90% coverage, but you don't have to put it in between all of the structures of the vehicle. Again, just like that. And when we go to do the ceiling, I go and I put them right over the top of these grooves. I put them over the top of my wires and let the wires go up behind it. And I kind of just run the tennis ball through the center, but I don't necessarily worry about having it work its way up and down each one of these cracks. I just lay it over the top and use the tennis ball to roll it down. All right, so we're just all gonna jump on it and knock it all out.
Fuel for a generator. Did we run out of fuel? Yes. Really? How did we run out of fuel? Oh, actually, no, we're just low on fuel. We did not run out. I mean, we only have the... So just a little bit, just kind of just deadens it. Yeah, and 8x8 square is really, they honestly, they just say like 25%. Oh, are they still sitting there waiting for me to turn the generator back? That's awesome though. Yeah, it's nice. That's great. Yeah, it's nice when the days get short in the Pacific Northwest and things just stop growling. Yeah. That's great. Do we usually have enough to like totally go over the head? Yep. You guys labor. Homeschooling while you were doing your trip, and you're not just getting high kindergarten except for socialization, but that's like, I wouldn't be holding you back for any of that. I don't like messing with it. It's like 3 different times we just set it. Is there power? No, you gotta plug it all back in. The seat's not in. You can